Are you ready to take your knowledge and experience into the next level in cloud computing? Join us for an exciting event that can transform your IT career to get better opportunity. Let's see what exciting you more. Join us for 2 days real-time hands-on AWS Migration Workshop. Trust me, it's going to be a thrilling adventure. We will be diving deep into the migration of applications, servers, database, and data into the cloud. The best part is, the workshop is completely hands-on and interactive, making the whole experience come alive. Throughout this workshop, we will even assist you in creating a business case that quantifies the benefits of migration project. And guess what? We will be migrating physical servers, VMware virtual machines, database, and data into the cloud. Pre-requirements. Now you might be wondering about the skills or prerequisites required to attend the workshop. To attend, you simply need to have a basic understanding of AWS and on-premise data center concept. But wait, there's more. As part of this workshop, we want to equip you with the valuable CV points and help you with the interview questions. Job referral program. Did I mention job referral program? Yes, we firmly believe in the more is better approach. So this is not only the workshop we have in store for you. We offer a wide range of workshops in different platforms. Our ultimate goal is to bridge the gap between the training and real-world experience, ensuring you are fully prepared for success. Don't miss this opportunity to get an immersive experience with the AWS Migration Workshop. Register today at Kloud Course Academy or contact us to secure your spot.